Welcome back. In this lecture, we will explore Python's most fundamental and versatile collection type, the list. Now let's create a list. This is a simple list. I will show you on Visual Studio Code in a few bit. Numbers, this is a Python list which you are already acquainted with in the previous section, as I told you earlier. Numbers is within a pair of square brackets 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Nothing else is required. There is no data type. There is no semicolon at the end of this code. And there is also mixed type list. Say mixed data 1, then hello within quotes, and 3.14 true. So it has got integer, string, float, and bool. So let's flip over to Visual Studio Code to see the demo. So as you can see, there is no need to declare type here. Now you have been introduced to how to create Jupyter notebook. So I have created a new Jupyter notebook and named it list.ipynv. And how do you call this? You don't need to write a print statement. All you need to do is write numbers again. That's it, and then run it. First save it and then run it. So you get this answer. So we can do the same thing with a normal Python file, which we'll do. So you can see here that I have created a demo list.py, and there is a blue squiggly line which says that missing module docstring, but it's just a warning, so I will just ignore it for now. You can create the docstring by docstring is nothing but just like comment in C#. So it will still allow me to run this code. So control and backtick to bring the terminal window, and so here I will write what was the command to run a Python code. Python so you get the list. Okay, now here I will also I have run this number mixed data, which is a mixed type of list which carries all the possible data types: integer, string, float, and boolean, and then call mixed data to actually demonstrate that it is working. Okay, I can do it again here, but I think you know the point here, and I will create this mixed data as a Python file and demo you. So I've created, I have actually modified the demo list to just have the mixed data list and then print it, and you get this mixed data list which actually mixes all the data type.